I got a restock for manual, and I found something in the mall for very huge return of investment. And if that interests you, let's do this. All right, first up, I really want to have this one doubling up for investment and also for personal. So we have here the Kill Shot 2 leather. The colorway is Sail Midnight Navy Gum Yellow. Retail is 90 bucks, but I got them for a discount. That's why I got them somewhere 69.97. That's why I said I'm gonna get me one more, and then I'm gonna sell the other one. So I'm gonna already have one there, so I'm gonna keep one more for personal because I really dig into it. The colorway of this one, classic. It will go if I grow old. This one is not bad for the price of 69.97. I'm gonna grow old on this one. Not bad for this colorway. 69.97. I can't go wrong on that one. Okay, we got it here. Another unboxed. Okay, so I caught the restock on this one manually, and I was lucky that I could get me one pair because it's kind of hard to get them, especially when they did a restock. You can't beat the bot because they're already ready to buy them, but still got lucky. I still got one. So we have here the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. Colorway is white hype royal black and white, 125 retail, and boom. Wow, that is something. Wow, that is something. A different type of material. It's not all leather. There is suede right here with this blue, another leather here, and somewhere here, and kneecap. In the midsole, the shoes is not leather. It's kind of satin or something. Not really sure, but it's not actually leather all the way. And the toe box, the black right here, but the main right here is white. It's also leather. So that is a lot of combination. The gray here part is also some kind of suede leather. So that's a lot of different type of combination of leather, and the color is not bad as well. So not bad for this one, not bad for investment. The prices now is starting to go up. Lastly, this one is kind of surprised when I saw them, that kind of why they are sitting there. And I got two pair of this one. I already sold the other one, and we have here the Air Jordan 1 Mid Grade School black and white light smoke gray. Retail is 90 bucks. Boom. Okay, if you've seen one of the videos, already got me the men's size, the restock. So this one is just the grade school, and I found them in the mall, and why they are sitting there. And I have here the size 7. I already sold the other sizes, which is size 6.5 or 6, because when I listed them, when I bought them, I immediately listed them on StockX. Then it's a matter of an hour, matter of a couple of hours, I already sold them, so I had to let it go. And then I didn't get a chance to do the video before letting them go, but still I got the size 7. And the prices on this one is skyrocketing. It's very demanding with that colorway of black, gray, and white. That's why they are now selling somewhere 200 all the way to 230. That is more than 200% return of almost 200% return of investment. Not bad for this one. So that's why when I do the research and everything, the data, the analysis, the review about the Jordan 1 mids, I thought Jordan 1 retros are only making the money. Now I hope I'm not that late with this leveling up my investment with Jordan 1 mids. And yep, still not too late. Still caught something in the mall, sitting in the mall. And who knows, maybe when way back when I'm not doing this in the mall, investment on mall, they already had a lot of good ones already way back then. But still a good thing that I did my research. I'm reading the analysis and review, so that's why level up my investment, grabbing more pairs of Jordan 1 mid if I could get them in the mall. If I could get them and restock online, then hey, I'm gonna invest more. So what do you think on this video? I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new, and if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. What do you think? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And with that said, Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.